I'm Tiandao Lisa. Let's present the QD260 CNC step grinder, specialized in cylindrical and conical grinding of round bar workpieces. It's ideal for tool manufacturers and part producers, focusing on grinding step outer circles and transition cones of tube lengths. It supports both automatic and manual loading for flexible use, with XOZ axis jaws of 225 mm each, 5.5 cow headstock power, 11 cow grinding spindle power, and less than or equal to 0.005 mm spindle runout. It ensures stable precision within 2.5 tons with dimensions 1,600 multiplied by 1,430 multiplied by 1,750 mm. It fits workshop spaces. For inquiries, contact us.